Alright, so some people are having some problems not reading the manual and not maybe just not understanding the manual and not watching our videos that we put out. But that's okay. I'm going to put out another one. Same way Ulysses put out his. Here we have a V860XC. If you're using the X1 and you're shooting this in manual or ETTTL or stroboscopic, this screen needs to be orange. The only time this screen is green is when you're using this flash as a master. If you are using the X1 to trigger this, it needs to be an orange screen. So, number one, orange screen. Here's multiple for stroboscopic. Here's ETTL. Now we're in slave mode. So all these are slave mode. Orange, 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 orange. To know that we're going to fire the X1, we also need to see that there's an antenna in the top left-hand corner. That means it's functioning on a wireless setup. So that little antenna needs to be right there. So if I switch it to the mode, to manual, you'll see there's an antenna. If I switch it again to stroboscopic, which is multiple, you'll see the antenna. Switching back to ETTL. If you are in this color screen, you're in the wrong color screen. This is green. This is not slave mode. This is a slave mode, but this is for optical. It has the lightning bolt. That's not the one we want to be in. Here's the radio. This is a master. It's green screened. Now we are back into slave mode again, which is orange. Radio antenna in the top left corner. This will work with the X1 transmitter. If you do not see an orange screen and you do not see this antenna, you're in the wrong wireless setting mode for your X1. If you're using this as a master, this flash as a master, then it could be in the green screen. So if I go back, here we are in ETTL. I'm going to go, now we're in master manual, master multiple, and master group mode. But if you're using the X1, then this cannot be in the green screen. It needs to be in the orange screen, which is slave mode. Again, we'll go over it. 1, orange screen. 2, antenna in the top left corner. Number 3, channel. Make sure that that channel is on channel 1 on the X1 and the channel on the slave is channel 1. Or if you're using channel 16 on this, then the X1 needs to be in channel 16. Number 4, A, B, C, D, and E are the only ones you can use on this and the X1. Because if you use an XT16, there's a lot more numbers. There's numbers and the alphabet on that system. And the X32, there's numbers and the alphabet on that system. But for the X system, the V860X, the 360X, and the 600X, it only gives you A, B, C, D, and E. The only time you're going to get the other ones is if you're using a pin receiver or the USB receiver. That's when you can use 0 through 9, A, B, or A through F. Again, my name is Scott with Sean's Photography. One more time, orange, antenna, channel, group. Orange, antenna, channel, group. Orange, antenna, channel, group. Thank you for watching.